Exactly 45 days ago from today, I told myself that I would learn video editing and create 15 thumbnails within 30 days.
আসলে বিষয়টা হচ্ছে মনে করিলাম এক মাসে ভিডিও এডিটিং শিখব, কিন্তু পরে যে আরো 15 দিন বেশি সময় লাগে। If you create my whole project challenge including 50 thumbnails, link in description. নাও আজকে আমরা 3D ক্যারোসেল রোটেশন অ্যানিমেশন তৈরি করা শিখব। তার জন্য আমাদের Alight Motion Pro ডাউনলোড করতে হবে। I show you how to download Alight Motion Pro. Search 9mode.com. Open this site. Search Alight Motion. Click here. Download for free. অল্প একটু নিচে এসে এখান থেকে ডাউনলোড করুন। Hey everyone, it's me, Skillup Environment. Today we will create this 3D and consistency rotating carousel animation in Alight Motion. Here I have used these logos of different AI tools, but you can use anything like image, logos, icon, text, videos and anything else. So let's begin. First of all, add a rectangle and make a background. Now before doing anything else, first send the value rectangle back by setting the Z value to around 2000. Now increase its size and place it properly. Now add a rounded rectangles and make this type of shape. Now make this type of dark radial gradient onto this shape. Now add a inner glow effect onto the shape. Now here first set the color to white and then decrease the hardness to 0. Now set the radius and alpha to around 10. Now we will add our object. Here I am using logos, so my first logo is black in color. So I will add a brightness and I will make it white by increasing the brightness. Now adjust its size and place it like this. Now add a text. And place it properly. Now my first card is ready. So now select the shape, logo and text layer and make a group of them. Now we will make a rotating animation. So now go to moving option and first add a keyframe at 0 seconds. Now go to 1.15 second and add another keyframe. Now send this card back by setting the Z value to 500. Now move this group towards right by X and Y value. Now go to 3 seconds and add another keyframe. Now send the group to more backwards by setting the Z value to 1000 at this keyframe. Now place it. Now go to 4.15 seconds and add another keyframe. Now here bring the group forward by setting the Z value to around 500 again. Now move the group towards left at this keyframe. Now go to 6 seconds and add another keyframe. Now bring the group more forward by setting the Z value to 0. Now place the group to the center at this keyframe. By this our 360-degree rotation is ready. Now we have animated this similar rotating for the second time. So add keyframe at 7.15 second and place the group in left side with Z value at 500. Now add keyframe at 9 seconds and place the group again at middle with Z value at 1000. Now add keyframe at 10.15 second and place the group at left side with Z value at 500. Now add a last keyframe at 12 seconds and place the group again at center with Z value at 0. Now add an exposure effect. Now here add a keyframe at 0 seconds in exposure. Now go to next keyframe and decrease the exposure because our group is not in front center position. Now go to the next keyframe and leave the exposure as it is. And now increase the exposure because now our group is in the front and center. Now do this similar thing with the second rotating also. Now go to moving option and open graph editor. Now first make this graph. Now copy this graph. Now again go to 3 dots and paste graph to all keyframe. Paste the similar graph to the all keyframes of the exposure effect also. Now for another cards, simply duplicates the group. Now go to edit group and first replace the logo by the color and fill menu. Now change the text accordingly. Now make another 2 duplicates of this group and replace the logos and the text. Now ultimately we have 4 cards group. So now to make them continuously rotating, first go to the second keyframe which is at 1.15 seconds and crop the second group first. Now simply drag all the crop layers to 0 seconds. Now here my animation is starting with this ChatGTP group. So now I will go to that keyframe where this ChatGTP card again come in front which is at 6 seconds. Now crop all the layers from here and with this your carousel rotating is ready. Now add a nice shadow on every group to create a realistic depth effect. Now To make a continuous rotating animation, just select all the groups and make a group. Now duplicate this group and place it after the first group. Now duplicate this group and place it after the first group. If you want more rotation, then again duplicate the groups and place them one another. And this it's for and that's it for today tutorials in which we have simply created this continuously 3D carousel rotating animation by using Alight Motion.